Okay, here we have a Scion TC 3D model. It's a 3D model of a car I used to have actually. But this video is just to show a decent option to install an adjustable fuel pressure regulator on this generation vehicle. So I got one hanging out here in midair. This is an AEM fuel pressure regulator that I modeled. A good option to put this is basically on the firewall somewhere. You can kind of pick wherever you want to put it depending on how your setup is configured. Of course, obviously the fuel rail is way back there. So my recommendation, depending on the type of fuel rail you have, would be somewhere along this side. So find a nice cozy spot right along the firewall there. Move your vacuum lines or whatever you have to do to get it back there. And this is the dead end of your fuel rail. Now, this is a factory fuel rail obviously here, but if you have an aftermarket one, there would be an opening where you can put fittings. If you actually want to mount your adjustable fuel pressure regulator on this side of the firewall, you can do a straight 90-degree up and then put a 45 into the adjustable fuel pressure regulator. That way you have some bend a little bit so you can kind of snake it over there. And then from there, you can put a 90 for your return. Again, not all fuel pressure regulators are designed the same, but this particular one is just a bottom out. So you can put a 90 or even a straight under here, and then you could just route your return line back to the fuel tank the best way you know how, based on how your setup is configured. And then as far as your feed, obviously this wouldn't be there. Your feed line would come from the tank, obviously, and you can put just a straight AN fitting there. That's pretty much it. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them. This is pretty much to give a visual idea of what you could possibly do when it comes to doing an adjustable fuel pressure regulator. Eventually, I'll update this model featuring an aftermarket fuel rail in there for reference. That's pretty much it. So, like, subscribe, share. Thanks for your time.